Hello, everybody. Now I'm going to teach you guys how to find the characteristics of a linear function. All right, the first two characteristics we're going to focus on are the x and y intercepts. Now, to find the x-intercept, the first thing you're going to do is look at that x-axis and see where does the line cross the x-axis at. As you can see, it crosses it right here at this point. The order pair of that point is -2, 0. So that is my x-intercept. Now, to find the y-intercept, I'm going to look at that y-axis, which is this right here, and see where the line crosses this y-axis. As you can see, it crosses it right here at this point. And that point is 0, 3. And that's how you find your x and y intercepts. The next two characteristics we're going to focus on is to determine whether your line is increasing or decreasing. So looking at this first graph right here, as you can see, my slope is a positive slope. It's going up from left to right. So therefore, it's increasing. Looking at this second graph right here, my slope is negative. It's going down from left to right. Down from left to right. So therefore, it is decreasing. And then the last two characteristics we're going to focus on is the domain and the range. Since there are arrows on both ends of your linear function, your domain is going to basically be all real numbers. If you want to write it in interval notation, it's going from, if you want to write an inequality notation, it's going from -infinity less than x, which is less than infinity. And I'm using x because we're talking about domain. For the range, same thing. It's all real numbers. And that's because you have arrows on both ends of your line. And to write it in inequality notation, we'll say it's going from -infinity less than y less than infinity. This will always be your domain and range, no matter what your graph looks like, if it's increasing or decreasing, a positive slope or negative slope, because you have arrows on both ends. And just so that you know, another way to write all real numbers, if you want to write it as a symbol, is to write a fancy R like this. So whenever you see something like this, that means all real numbers. And that's it.